Hi everyone, welcome to Downward Dog Rising. Tonight I'm going to teach you how to properly do short spine, one of the Pilates reformer exercises. And we're going to do a little prep work just to warm up, and then we'll practice our short spine. So join me, let's get started. You want 3 red springs or 2 red springs and a green so your carriage stays stable so you can do bridging. And also, short spine is contraindicated if you have osteoporosis, herniated discs in your back, or if you have degenerative disc disease or spinal stenosis. You're not going to do this exercise, just so you know. All right, let's get started. We're going to come on down to our machine, and then I'm going to have you just bring your feet to the foot bar, peel back, center. Place your heels hip width apart on your bar, and then I want you to just do a bridge. Straight up, no weight in neck, headrest down, and then straight back down. Feel your glutes engage, you're scooping your core in tight, elevate, and then come straight back down. And 8, straight lift, straight back down. Feel glutes turn on. 7, you're scooping your core deeply into your back. 6, hips hit simultaneously. 5, chest is open, straight back to mat. And 4, lifting straight up, coming straight back to your mat. And 3, 2 more. Feel the abdominals streamline into your spine. Last one. And then gently bring pelvis to mat. Now take your toes, balls of feet, wrap them around your bar. Heels squeeze into your V position, first position. Streamline those inner thighs together on a deep exhale. Chest is open. Scoop in deeply to your center. And inhale, exhale, reach. And 7, feel how your ribs integrate down and together. And 6, chest is open. 5, exhale, 4, and 3, interweave those thighs together. Last one. Now stay here, gently lower the heels and lift the heels. Lower and lift, scoop the abdominals in deeply to your back. Feel how low back falls gently into your mat. And 6, and 5, 4, and 3, 2 more, and last one. Gently come home. Now I want you to place heels hip width apart on your mat again. Do 5 posterior pelvic tilts. Scoop in, peel your hip bones back, roll back. Exhale, posteriorly tilt pelvis. Inhale, rolling back forward. Exhale. That's a C curve, that's spinal flexion. 2 more. Just warming up your back. Last one. All right. So again, you wouldn't do this with stenosis in your spine, degenerative disc disease, or osteoporosis, or spinal fusion. We're going to curl our pelvis, roll up section by section. Keep chest wide open. Breathe in. Now roll through your spine, all the way to the tailbone. Let's do 4 more. Roll up section by section. Inhale, you soften your breastbone. Roll. All the way. All the way. 3 more. Chest is open. No weight in neck. And 2 more times. Peel up bone by bone. Inhale. Soften through breastbone. Roll back down. Last one. Roll your spine up with control. Chest wide open, no weight in neck. All the way down, wonderful. Now gently, you're just gonna roll yourself all the way up. I'm gonna do a little spring change here. Go to 2 red springs, and then we're just gonna lengthen, heel back down, reach back, make sure you got your straps with your ropes. Again, shred it and twist. Now I want you to walk your feet into your straps. If you have 2 straps, use the long loops. And then I want you to just stretch legs long out of center. Create a little space here between rib cage, hip bones. Engage glutes, stretch through hamstrings. Keep hip bones straight above you to the ceiling. And 6. Feel how your abdominals stabilize hips and pelvis. Scoop in 5. And inhale, exhale 4 more. And 3. 2 more. Hip bones face the sky. Soften, integrate ribs together. Heels in a V. Do 4 like this, heels in a V. Just establish hips to sky. Feel the low back really stretch long into your carriage mat. And 3, inner thighs wrap into outer hips under the glutes. 2, last 1. Now keep spine long. Inhale, you're gonna fold in for a frog. Exhale. Avoid any knee locking. Inhale, exhale, stretch. Breathing in and exhale, lengthen, stretch. Use deep core. 5, 4, ribs pull down together. 3, 2 more. Last one, I'm going to challenge you. How long can you keep your pelvis down as legs go parallel to the sky right above your head? Peel up, chest is open, no weight in neck. Keep the heels up top. Now roll down through your spine. Get those hamstrings to really stretch, engage, and press heels away. See if you could keep your spine tailbone long, down on mat. Peel up sequentially, use deep core, roll, control. Now the heels are going to come with you. Tailbone connects, press out of your center. See if you can keep your back down, your hips down, roll up, inhale. Heels could come with you. Wring out the wet towel, sides of ribs, wrap. This time we'll stretch those hamstrings more. Come up slowly with control. Scoop in deeply. Now we're going to keep the heels up top. Chest is wide open. Massage your spine against the mat. Vertebra by vertebra. Tailbone long. Tailbone down, draw the heels in and stretch the legs out. Wonderful. Carefully, just hug in for a second for a little hip opener, little Supta Baddha Konasana. Do a little inner thigh stretch, hip opener. Inhale, exhale. Good. Let your spine just release into the mat. And then gently, you're just going to bring your knees together, grab your straps, and walk out of your loops. Let's land. And there you have it. Just going to roll up. And thank you so much for joining me. Appreciate you so much. So that was short spine. So you want to use control and avoid using momentum. And if you like my content, please hit like, share, subscribe, because I want you to get more videos from me so you can watch more videos. Appreciate you. Thanks so much for watching. Peace. Take care. Bye.